In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Twitch. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your favorite browser. It could be on your phone or any device that has a browser. Just type in twitch.tv. Once done, just hit on enter. Alright, and you will be landed to this exact page. Now once you're in here, there are two ways to sign up. First up is the button right here at the top right. The second one is at the very bottom, right here at the bottom right. Just go ahead and tap on one, for example here. Now as you can see, it will require us to create a username. Just go ahead and type in your desired username, for example. As you can see, it is available. When it is not available, there will be a prompt here that the particular name has already been taken. Alright, just go ahead and enter your desired password. Now in here, just put your date of birth, your birthday, and the year, of course. Once done, you're going to want to add your phone number. Just go ahead and click on this drop down right here for you to be able to see the list of countries. Say, for example, right here it is automatic because I have my location turned on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my number right here. Or if you don't have a phone number, you can just use your email instead. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to use an email right here, and I'm going to put in this secondary mail of mine. Then I'm going to hit on sign up. All right. As you can see here, Twitch has sent a 6-digit code to this particular email. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my emailing service. For example, here I'm using Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now here, as you can see, there I have my verification code. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the email itself and copy the verification code and go ahead and go back to Twitch, hit on paste. And as you can see here, it automatically logs as in. Now, if you want to save your credentials, just go ahead and click on save. If not, just go ahead and hit on never. All right. I'm going to hit on save because I am particularly lazy. And as you can see here, there's a prompt. Welcome to the party made for money 97. Just go ahead and click on choose some interest. Or so, for example, you watch Valorant or you play Valorant. Just go ahead and click on Valorant right here. Marvel Rivals, Counter-Strike 2 if you want to, GTA. And once you're done, just hit on the big dumb button right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. And here we just created our Twitch account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.